1, 2, 3, come on!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Rafi'i. My matrix number AA181844. Today I would like to talk about RFID. You want to know more about RFID? Stay tuned. And don't forget to like and turn on button subscribe. What is RFID? RFID is radio frequency identification that use electromagnetic field to automatically identify and track touch attached to objects. RFID text consists a tiny transponder, which is a radio transmitter and receiver. When triggered by an electromagnetic integration pulse from a nearby RFID reader device, the track transmits digital data that usually an identified inventory number back to the reader. RFID can refer to a technology whereby digital data encoded in RFID text and smart label that are captured by a reader via radio wave. RFID, similar to barcoding in the data from a text or label, are captured by a device that stores the data in the database. There are two types of RFID system, which is RFID reader and RFID text. RFID text consists of active text, passive text, and semi-passive text. RFID reader consists of three components, which is microcontroller, RF signal generator, and receiver or signal detector. Next, we go into RFID text. RFID text consists of four components, which is transponder, rectifier circuit, controller, and memory. Okay, next we go into the how does RFID works. Okay, RFID belongs to a group of technologies referred to automatically identification and data capture, AIDC. AIDC method actually automatically identify object, collect data about them, and enter those data directly into computer system with little or no human intervention. Then RFID method that used to utilize radio wave to accomplish this. At the sample level, RFID system consists of three components, which is RFID text or smart label, and second RFID reader, and the last is an antenna. RFID text contains an integral circuit and an antenna, which are used to transmit data to the RFID reader, and that other names called by an integrator. The reader then convert the radio wave to a more usable form of data. Information called from the text is then transferred through a communication interface to a host computer system, where the data can be stored in the database and analyzed at a later time. Actually, RFID is a wireless non-contact use of radio frequency wave to transfer data. Tagging item with RFID text allow user to automatically and uniquely identify and track inventory and assets. It takes Auto ID technology to the next level by allowing text to be read without offside and depends on the types of RFID. Having a read range between a few centimeter to over 2 plus centimeter. Lastly, RFID has come a long way from its first application of identify airplanes as friend or foe in World War II. Not only does the technology continue to improve year over year, but the cost of implementing and using an RFID system continue to decrease, making RFID more cost effective and efficient. Next, we go into the application of RFID technology system to the community. There are a lot of applications that use RFID technology, for example, toll road payment and passport. In Malaysia, a certain state use toll road payment by using RFID. Highway toll payment system at the Eastern State has Easy Peasy Pass toll that use RFID technology to electronically collect toll from passing car. Instead of stopping to the toll booth, cars pass directly through in the Easy Pass lane and the toll is automatically deducted from the prepaid card. Next, the second one for application of RFID technology to the community is passport. A certain country, for example Japan, United States, and Spain are in and incorporate RFID tags into their passport to store information, for example photo, about the passport holder, and to track visitor entering and exiting to their country. Okay, lastly, I will tell you about pros and cons by using RFID technology. There are 3 advantages that I found in the journal. For example, RFID technology automates data collection and vastly reduce human effort and error. The second one is it support text reading with no line of sight or item by item scan required. And lastly, RFID reader can read multiple RFID text simultaneously, offering decrease in efficiency. Next, we go into the disadvantages by using RFID technology. The first one is about cost. RFID systems are still typically more expensive to set up and use than alternative systems such as optically scanning. However, RFID systems bring their own cost benefit, such as to reduce labor costs and improve efficiency. Okay, the second one is about scanning issue. RFID system can still have problem, although reader can scan through most non-metallic material. They have a problem with metal and water. And lastly is about RFID security and concerns, privacy concerns. An unauthorized device may be able to read and even change data on text without knowledge of the person who owned the object. In the side channel, a text can pick up RFID data as it passes from a tag to a reader, which could give the attacker access to password or information that should be secure. Some states have privacy status to restrict activity that might be used RFID technology to collect personal information. Okay, that's all for RFID system technology from me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can understand what I'm trying to tell you about RFID technology. Thank you.